Foldable smartphones have come a long way in recent years, and OPPO is pushing the boundaries even further with its latest flagship, the OPPO Find N5. As someone who's tested numerous foldables, I was particularly excited to get my hands on this device to see how it stacks up against the competition. In this in-depth review, we'll examine every aspect of the Find N5, from its sleek design and stunning displays to its powerhouse performance and versatile camera system. Whether you're a multitasking professional, a mobile photography enthusiast, or simply someone who appreciates cutting-edge technology, this review will help you determine if the Find N5 deserves a spot in your pocket. But before we get started, make sure to hit that subscribe button and click the notification bell so you never miss out on our latest tech reviews and updates. The OPPO Find N5 represents a significant leap forward in foldable design. At first glance, you'll immediately notice how much slimmer, with 8.9mm when folded and 4.2mm thin once unfolded, and weighing 229 grams, and it's more refined compared to previous generations. The matte glass back not only looks premium, but also resists fingerprints remarkably well, a small but appreciated detail for daily use. With titanium alloy flexion hinge, its mechanism has been completely redesigned, offering a satisfying smoothness when opening and closing while maintaining excellent durability. What truly impressed me was how OPPO managed to reduce the visibility of the crease. It's still there if you look for it, but during normal use, it practically disappears. The outer display has been enlarged to 6.62 inches, making it far more practical for quick tasks without needing to unfold the device. After using it for several days, I found the weight distribution to be nearly perfect. It feels substantial enough to convey quality, but not so heavy that it becomes cumbersome in your pocket. Let's talk about what might be the Find N5's most impressive feature: its displays. The main 8.12-inch foldable OLED panel is nothing short of spectacular. With a 120Hz LTPO refresh rate, scrolling through content is buttery smooth, and the adaptive refresh rate technology ensures you're not wasting battery when it's not needed. The colors are vibrant yet accurate, thanks to OPPO's excellent calibration and HDR10+ support. I tested it side by side with some high-end tablets, and the Find N5 held its own in terms of brightness and color reproduction. The cover display is equally impressive, at 6.62 inches with Full HD Plus resolution. It's large enough to be genuinely useful for replying to messages, checking notifications, or even quick photo reviews. Both displays can reach 2100 nits peak brightness levels that make them perfectly usable even in direct sunlight, a common pain point for many foldables. The OPPO Find N5 delivers flagship-level performance with its Snapdragon 8 Elite chipset, 16GB RAM, and 512GB storage, handling demanding tasks like 4K video editing and intensive gaming without throttling. Its exceptional thermal management keeps the device comfortably cool even during extended use. The optimized ColorOS 15 enhances the foldable experience with smooth multitasking capabilities. While it lacks expandable storage and a 1TB option, the available configuration offers ample power for most users, making it a top-tier performer in the foldable market. OPPO has partnered with Hasselblad to create what might be the most capable camera system on a foldable to date. The triple camera setup features a 50-megapixel main sensor that captures a stunning detail with excellent dynamic range. The 8-megapixel ultra-wide lens maintains impressive consistency with the main camera, and the 50-megapixel periscope telephoto with 3x optical zoom produces sharp, usable images even at moderate digital zoom levels. Where the Find N5 truly shines is in its versatility. The foldable design allows for unique shooting angles and stable framing options that traditional smartphones can't match. Low-light performance is exceptional, with OPPO's night mode producing clean, detailed images with minimal noise. Video capabilities are equally impressive, with 4K at 60 frames per second recording and excellent stabilization that makes handheld footage look nearly as smooth as using a gimbal. Battery life is always a concern with foldables, but the Find N5 manages to deliver all-day endurance thanks to its improved 5600 mAh silicon carbon battery and efficient chipset. In my testing, I consistently got through a full day of moderate to heavy use, including several hours of screen-on time across both displays. When you do need to recharge, the 80-watt wired charging is blisteringly fast. I recorded 100% fully charged in just under 50 minutes. The inclusion of 50 watts wireless charging is a welcome addition that many competitors still omit, making it convenient for topping up throughout the day. OPPO has also included intelligent charging features to help preserve battery health over time, which is especially important for a device you'll likely want to keep for several years. After thoroughly testing the OPPO Find N5 over several weeks, I can confidently say it stands among the most impressive foldable devices available today. OPPO has masterfully combined elegant design, best-in-class displays, flagship-level performance, and a professional-grade camera system to deliver what feels like a genuine glimpse into the future of smartphones. That said, the 7,999 AED price tag in Dubai does raise eyebrows, positioning it significantly higher than competing foldables with similar specifications, which may give potential buyers pause when considering value for money. However, for those ready to embrace the foldable revolution or upgrade from an earlier generation device, the Find N5 presents an exceptionally compelling option that transcends being merely an excellent foldable phone. It's simply one of the best smartphones you can buy today, regardless of form factor. The premium experience it delivers ultimately justifies its position at the higher end of the market, though budget-conscious consumers may want to wait for potential price adjustments. Alright, that's it for today's review of the OPPO Find N5. Let me know what you think in the comments below. And if you found this review helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell for more exciting tech reviews like this. Thanks for watching, and I'll catch you guys in the next one. Peace out.